Stocks rebounded this morning. A little bit of weakness showing up in the Dow. Right now, the Dow's down 0.2%, but the Russell is up 1.1%, the Nasdaq up 0.4%, and the S&P is up just a little bit more than 0.1%. Inflation and employment data in Germany were weaker. Annualized GDP in Canada was better, while month over month the rate was flat. But most importantly, for U.S. equities anyway, PCE price data this morning came in as expected. No surprise to the upside, which I think the market feared. However, monthly personal income rose by a full 1%, but markets have ignored that so far. Pending home sales fell 8.8%, which is a significant drop. With that, yields dropped, the dollar dropped, and risk assets rise, including crude oil, copper, gold, and silver, all higher this morning. Yield curve is down between 3 basis points on the 30-year end and 1 basis points on the 2-year, sitting at 463, 10-year at 424 on the yield side. Government shutdown averted so far, but we have new deadlines in the first and second week of March for another partial government shutdown. This is the fourth set of new deadlines for the government to shut down since October of last year. So it's becoming less and less of a market event, more and more of an annoyance. More Fed speak today. We get Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee, Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester, and New York Fed President John Williams all speaking today. Tomorrow, Dallas Fed President Lori Logan, Fed Governor Christopher Waller, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, and Fed Governor Adriana Kugler. Looking ahead, we get earnings after the close today. 34 companies with market caps over $1 billion, including Dell Technologies, Autodesk, Hewlett-Packard, and NetApp. Tomorrow, we start to wind down. Only 8 companies with billion-dollar market caps reporting, with the most notable probably being Morgan Stanley Direct Lending Group. Data tonight: Australian manufacturing PMI, Japanese unemployment rate, and the NBS manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMIs in China. Tomorrow, new inflation data in the EU, February ISM manufacturing PMI in the US, along with construction spending and Michigan consumer sentiment data. No non-farm payrolls data tomorrow, even though it is March 1st.